Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit the language settings on your TikTok app when you travel a lot. So go to your profile page and select the three lines, go to settings and privacy, and go to language. You can also change some content preferences if you'd like to. So select language and make sure the app language is in English. Go to preferred language and just choose the preferred language you want your videos to be in. I have mine in English and Bahasa Indonesia. Sometimes I wouldn't see any content in other languages, so I just chose these two. And I have the translation language as well if you want to. I don't have these on because sometimes it's not accurate. You can also go to content preferences to, actually this won't work for the language. I think this is the only way to change the content and language when you're in a different country. But you might still see some of the content that's in that country, so just keep that in mind. But it's fine, you're traveling, you're appreciating different cultures and languages, so this is just if you want to see more content that you usually see in your country, but that's fine. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!